My loves, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to my channel, Reasonings with Chin. Big up to all viewers, supporters, subscribers, families. Enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation to each and everyone. Hope you all had a wonderful weekend. Yes, my dear. I know you look for me. I know you guys were looking for me. I apologize, but this weekend for me, it was out of it. Totally out of it. And I decided, all right, I go come to yesterday. But last my love, me don't know if I because me always I tell them say me don't like Monday cause Monday give me the Monday morning blues. Me don't like Monday vibes. When it come to Sunday night time I go to Monday morning, it stress me up. Me don't like her. Me don't know if I have Monday have me up, you know, me love, but Monday hold me down yesterday. Monday conquer me yesterday. I took up the phone several times, so me I can't reason with no. And Monday is like no biatch. No biatch. So I never have the energy, I never have the strength, I never have nothing. So Monday pass and gone. Good riddance Monday, good riddance. Me glad when I see you again. It's another Monday I go come, but every Monday come with the same thing, my loves. Loves. And if you don't reach to this point of the video and you don't like it as yet, just show a girl some appreciation. You understand? Wanna show me so wanna like what my out here I do. Yeah. I make me feel good. I wanna boost me up. If you don't like my video, it will boost me up. And I will try come every day. We try come every day, especially Monday. Other come out 3 times per Monday. Monday couldn't beat me bad. Monday couldn't beat me bad. So if you wanna come to this point of the video and you don't like it yet, just drop a like. Show a girl some love, right? Yes, so yeah, all right. Anyways, now so what go on? How do do? Wanna miss me? Me miss her too. I miss her too. Yes, me dear. Now so. Hey, mix up time, my loves, mix up time. Then, self good and Agnes good. Yeah, everybody alright, so. Then now, my loves, I don't see my title, I don't see my top nail. Different kind of settings we are come with today, my loves. Different kind of people we're going to chat about. Oh, I don't know say, cause I don't know me always go visit me social media neighbor them, me no got them yard for make no problem. Me just go fi check up on them fi see how if them good. Alright, how them a do and so and go listen to people them business over part of them yard. And no, me a pass this man is a yard where me pass frequently, but me never really too sad because the things them we always a talk about over a yard. And me no like the whole politics in thing. Me no like it cause me just no want nothing to do with no politics. If me no have to hear about politics, my love, yes. Anyways, no. But this man he know me a pass. And he may not talk about no politics. Yes, my dear, and new people we are go chat so no say me have to take time cause me tell you no say my skin not thick like a two before and my back not really broad like a the plywood them so no know say me have to keep myself in a particular way so you understand you know so now me a pass the man yard me no know if you know ever hear about him but him name Miss Lord, when it come to name calling afraid, you know, man. Him name, Jamaican Carlos. You understand? Oh, no, but I'll go back. Go say. This a between me. Oh, no. Yes, my dear. So now, the gentleman name now is Jamaican Carlos. Anyway, now, me loves me pass him. I'm here over him yard him a talk about the Jamaican charity. So once me hear about charity now you know me loves. Me I go tap and me I go fast because me know say lady the name have to mention somewhere in there so me I go listen now where me say about the Jamaican charity them. So when me go over there now really call up nobody name. You understand me loves but you say true we not stupid and we not fool. We know how to pick sense out of nonsense. Yes, me dear no. So I have a few words to say to him because to hold him son. If you ever look at him, then I really follow the charity. Well, especially the lady charity, him then really I follow it in the early part of it. But I can remember, I remember few little times when the lady at 99 now she used to refer to him over her channel say over fear yard not channel over fear yard now say she watch him so I so now me loves me did come to know about him because them the time they know once lady they mention somebody the whole of we gonna their yard gonna flock them you understand so me did get fi know about him right so This morning now when I hear him, I was into shock. You understand? I was into shock. But I never reached this stage where me fi go kin over now myself have a dash water for me. Me did still conscious up here so. But it was soon to me now like I say. The man did a fling some shades. You understand? He mean a fling shades, man, cause him a burn out everybody. Yes, me dear children, I saw him say, over there no. Me sit down now and me I listen keenly to him. Me I listen keenly to him, you understand? But me loves, me say Jamaican Carlos, sir. Then sir, make a how you come out, make a how you come out so strong now, sir. He after all these years, make a know you feel like I say you feel come out so strong now, sir. Fi the Jamaican charity people them. Puss move now. Well and me love, so no hear Coco. We no listen if we no hear Coco. Him stop now. Cause Coco in the morning, you know me love. Coco in morning, but we're not talking about Coco right now. Yes, me dear. Yes, so Mr. Jamaican Carlos, sir, you come out strong like a thunderstorm. But sir, make I ask you a question now, Mr. Jamaican Carlos, sir. For you mention one of them, you know, Mr. Carlos, where you claim to say that it's like him did a try to look charity for people when him a did charity case too. But Mr. Jamaican Carlos, you're very out of order, you know, sir. You call the man charity case. You're very out of order of you, Mr. Jamaican Carlos, sir. That was not nice. Anyways, no, my loves. So now he mentioned now charity personnel come out with Grand Pitney, yeah, show up Grand Pitney pan camera. Yes, how we know who him attack, we know who him attack. Him talk about charity people, them we are travel. And we know who him attack, and we know who him attack, and him talk about charity people we get rich as which. You understand? So Mr. Jamaican Carlos, sir, we know everybody where you attack, you know, call no name, but we not chopping out here. You understand? But my loves, anyways now. Me not go talk about the rest of them because me not really watch the rest of charity people them like that. If me pass and see something and me I catch something, me we peep. But I not like you say like come would go watch Lady Dina and sit down and watch her from morning till night. Me not do so with the rest of them. You understand? So me just I go talk about this specific charity lady now, the one where Mr. Carlos I refer to as Richard Switch. Because as she may watch. The transparent lady, the lady when I have nothing hidden in a no little corner, no way. She not dodge nothing, right? She come out and she put everything out there. But me realize now, so Mr. Carlos, you know, him a place most of him emphasis pan she. And him a try, you know, be slick like him a try be tactful, you understand? And him now really refer or a call nobody name, but we know say most of the emphasis is pan this specific lady. I know that to not get for no never watch him, love. If you don't know watch it, either over pan him something. You know we can't play nobody something and we not to play nobody something. Yeah, we just come over here and chat them business. That's all we do. You understand? But when me I get from him most of the emphasis where him did that place, it was pan, you know, the charity lady. He might talk about the rest of them, you know, but I may feel like I say, I chew him no want to look now, we make him mention the rest of them. You understand? He no want to look like I say, he might pick pan one specific somebody. But Mr. Carlos, sorry, do see one specific somebody, you pick pan, sorry, you can't trick me. You cannot trick me. What me loves now? You know, me really used to sit down, you know, I know all the time, but one and few time me pass this man yard and me tap over there, and I listen some and thing them, not everything. And I listen them sometime. And you know, this man, me consider him, you know, sensible and him knowledgeable at certain things. But Mr. Sorry, this your time, yeah. A lot of what you say in this video where you do about the charity people, them, you know. Me never say everything, but a lot of what you're saying, Pandis, you know, you're not making any sense. You're not making any sense. And as me tell you already, my loves, that me only go and refer to Lady D in this case because I can't speak for the others. Them I never used to watch them and I do no one again when I might see something and stop. So I don't know nothing about them to go talk about. But the little woman know about Lady D, me I go use this platform, you know, if you try, if you remind certain people where no remember how they started the charity go. You no remember you know say. You no remember say. This lady, I know, like, say, she did sit down and she called Paula, she called Janaya, and Taje, and Tats, and Tina, and Natalie, and the whole of them, and say, oh, no, say, me da ya know, say, me a plan to start one little charity, something, No, it was not like that. It was not like that. All we there, how we see, how we know how the charity start. If we even not see, we hear because that they tour, they chat so much time per interview and per not interview. It just a chat. We hear that the story they over how the story started with the whole Hope New Gen something. You understand? That was how the charity started, and the charity started while this lady did not do her business. The same business where she I don't know where expand and turn her into millionaire. And that the same business she did not do make her cake and her pudding. We hear her story. She did her work before. She did her do her little hustling. She had sell her juice them. She had make her fish package them. She had do her smoothie and all kind of something. So we hear about her hustling journey. So how no one will go say charity do this and charity do that? Eh? The charity only just highlight the woman and put her out there and people see her and drawn to her. So how no focus on the charity, so just the charity. You no see nothing else. You never hear the neither part of the story. So doing this charity now, it just help to basically highlight her. It help to, put her out there so that people can see her and know her, and who want become drawn to her, become drawn to her. No, Mr. Carlos, no, sir. You said the charity them, all of them start out with God and devotion and them quit. The fact that see them and come out on phone and worship against her, you don't mean that them now have no relationship with God, Mr. Carlos, sir. That no mean say stop. Probably then just stop do it publicly, but maybe them still are do it in a them one's private space. You don't know, sir. Then now you move on to say the people then get richer, switcher. We know who you attack this on now, sir. You call them chopper. You mention big house. I mean, never like when you mention. You see the part when you talk about big house and there's something that edit sound while it way, Mr. Carlos, and that line edit sound while it way. It give me one feeling. It give me one kind of feeling. But this choppy line thing, when you look into it, this choppy line thing, well, in a Jamaica, it gotten so popular. So come on, that these days is like you can't to accomplish nothing without people say, yeah, choppy line. No. Now the part where it puzzle me now, me loves, is how can this individual, that you're referring to Mr. Carlos indirectly because you're not calling on him. But how can this individual know that you're referring indirectly to a choppy line now, Mr. Carlos? Tell me how that the part they go. Part number one, she make it clear as they say. She not collect nothing from nobody behind closed door. She not call a soul and beg them a dime. And God bless the little assassin thing where she take from people, and when she take it from him, she come out here publicly contact. Some make say she talk, while some have no problem with it. But she make the reason be known why she come out and talk, and we say is not nothing much. The few little time where she take from people could never turn her in a millionaire. It can't even stop a gap. So it choppy line part now, Mr. Carlos, when it come to this individual, I don't understand how he fit this so. You understand? I don't understand how he fit this so. Number one, I don't hear a soul come out here and squeal and bawl out, say, them ever hear, send out their money and they don't hear their name. Me never hear that. And the other part now, Mr. Carlos, where you mentioned, I say, feeding the gut and not the brain. Meaning that based on what I get from what you say, Mr. Carlos. So she must basically, focus on education and not the food. But Mr. Carlos, sir, empty barrels, can't stand up. If a little breeze blow too hard, it can over. The brain can't function without the food, Mr. Carlos. Me know when you go to school, me know so you hear the teacher them teach you about grow food, and glow food. Don't it, sir? You remember? You remember from us a boy in a grade 1 galang up to grade 6. You hear about them same thing. They go grow and glow food. Yes, the 3 G's in our food. So how the brain now have go function pan a empty gut now, sir? You tell me the honest truth, Mr. Carlos, sir. Tell me the honest truth. If you ever like I say, you don't know what real hungry feel like. Hmm? If you ever like I say, you no really know where real hungry feel like, you know, Mr. Carlos, you know you got bed power empty tomorrow, wake up back, you still not have a clue where the first meal a come from, so you wake up back pan the empty tomorrow, sit down for the whole day, consider with your hand and your jaw where the next meal a come from. You never get a meal yesterday, you never get one today, you don't know if you're going to get none for tomorrow. Eh? Mr. Carlos, sir, you're not being fair. You're not being fair, sir. Because even though this lady, she not doing mainstream charity anymore, she still a do a lot both in front and behind camera. And she not only feed the gut for she feed in the brain, because you see where Pikini I go to college and them I go to university. And her brain she a feed there so. And if you been a watch her constantly, you understand? You would have hear when she says she going into the direction of education, sir. That no means that she go stop giving people them little food if they come and you know she can't give them little food. Eh? Mr. Carlos, sir, a lot of what you say in this topic, sir, it don't make any sense. It don't make any sense because you're leaning toward the negative side more. You know, you lean more to the negative than the positive, sir. You're leaning more to the negative side than the positive. We all see this rich and switch individual as you refer to her. This move from tie head to fashion queen as you refer to her. She get the biggest fight in her social media of all the other charities them the fire. She get the biggest fight. She get the most backlash. She get the most tear down. Them drag her left, right, and center. And see, then now you basically come and do the same thing, you know, sir, but just in a different little man. It's just in a different manner. Just in a different manner, sir. She get a lot of fight all because of the name her charity. So if she see it fit, if you walk away from it, then me not see anything wrong with it, you know, sir. I don't see anything wrong with it. She's human just like the rest of it. She can only do so much and no more. We can only tolerate so much. We all see where the same poor people them we are talk about. The same poor people them. Them same one come out to be ungrateful and become a thorn in our behind too. Another thing, Mr. Carlos, sir. The fact that she's doing charity no means that she mustn't have any privacy or yard, sir. She can't have any peace of mind as she people to do somebody that come and beg and your yard that are your private space that you're supposed to be a yard and you're supposed to carry relax. I bet you none of them can pick up themselves and got the Prime Minister gate go knock. I bet you none of them can pick up themselves got the man we are run the country yard go knock. Then why them feel like say it's okay if you pop up at the woman yard and invited begging? Mr. Carlos, sir, you're very hand-fear. In a way, I say, a lot of way I say today, you're very hand-fear, sir. It's fear yard, fear private space. So if she don't want nobody there, she not supposed to get any backlash for that. She don't want nobody there. She have rights to that. Every God Almighty thing that this lady done when it comes to charity, it all unfold in a way. Not hidden nowhere. So I don't know how charity makes she rich. Every cent where she get figure out, she give out. Everything where she a plan for do, with the money, who no see where go. That even dollar no left back in her pocket. We buy one hot ginger beer, fi drink and bust lily gas. Every accomplishment that this lady receive, till to this day, she deserve it. All because of her transparency and her honesty. She deserve every damn good thing that come for her. And who want bex when me say that to no stay bex. You better who no bex than me. Her honesty and transparency is the reason why her business is where she is today. Anything this lady touch her, you know, he become gold, he turn gold. All because of transparency and honesty. business grow, doors open for her, and that is the reason why she is the lady who she is today. So, Mr. Carlos, sir, we can agree if we disagree, but just give Caesar what's due to Caesar, sir. I see you as a very intelligent man. But nobody beat round the bush, sir. Nobody beat round the bush. You better you stick to the politics and nobody come at this side here with the a lot of negatives over here, so you know already, Mr. Carlos. Don't come with no more. We can't manage no more over here. So you understand? We cannot manage any more over here, so. Stick with the politics over there, so man. Stick with the politics over there. Me understand, say, Andre, no really die. You know, I push out nothing so that you no can feed off. So, who know, take time and drift, and come over here. So, nobody, Mr. Carlos. Nobody with it. We can't manage it, sir. We can't manage it. You can't just take yourself, come over here now, sir, and label the people them without having any proof to back up what you say. Alright? I notice a lot of you people out there, you know. I notice a lot of you people out there. You know, have so much to say when it come to the name of charity. Then me always I wonder now if you no can do better. You no just go do it, man. Take up the man clan, go do it too. If you no see what you no can do a better job, you no just take up here and do it too, man. And prove to we say, yes, you no can do a better job. Because me certainly couldn't do it, you know. Me are not thief, so me never got trouble the people them money. But you see, when it come to the backlash and everything, me couldn't turn up in it. Me could have give up long time. Me would have fling in that towel long time, sir. Long time. My backbone not so strong. God never give me that much strength. But I just hope Andre hurry up and come back. So you know have to come over here. So now come, you know, I start up a whole that same thing over here. We can't take nothing more. So Mr. Andre Stephen, I beg you hurry up and come back, sir, so you can have this story them so them can feed and fight. You understand? And nobody come over here so with the whole heap of baga. We can't take no more. As much over here, Mr. Carlos, sir, as much over here, we can't take no more. Anyway, no, my loves, me don't fit it and I will see you know later on. Have a safe and a productive day. Wake up on yourself. And please remember, if you reach this point of the video, drop a like, you know. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notifications so that as soon as, you know, I drop a video, you guys can be notified. Alright, so enjoy the rest of your day. Have a safe and a productive one and see you again soon.